Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best jewelry organizer stand you can find, the pickpiff Jewelry Stand Organizer. This 12.5-inch tall, sturdy metal jewelry holder is perfect for anyone looking to organize their necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and rings in style. The pickpiff Jewelry Stand is a 3-tiered masterpiece, designed to offer ample space for all your precious jewelry. Whether you have a growing collection of necklaces, bracelets, or earrings, this organizer keeps everything neatly classified and easy to access. It stands 12.5 inches tall and features 4 bars across its 3 tiers, ensuring there's plenty of room to hang your favorite pieces without worrying about them getting tangled. What sets this organizer apart is its solid, high-quality construction. Made from durable metal, it won't bend or lean over, making sure it holds all your jewelry securely. Despite its sturdy build, it's incredibly easy to assemble. The stand comes with everything you need to put it together in just a few minutes, no tools required. Plus, it's designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic that can fit perfectly into any room as a stylish decor piece. Now, it's not just about looks. This jewelry stand is a great practical solution for anyone who needs a reliable and sturdy place to store their jewelry. If you've ever found yourself frantically searching for a matching earring or entangling your necklaces, this stand will solve those problems. The 3 tiers are perfect for keeping different types of jewelry organized and visible. Not only is it great for your personal use, but it also makes for a thoughtful and functional gift. Whether it's for a girlfriend, sister, mom, or a friend, they'll surely appreciate both its functionality and its beauty. With its simple yet elegant design, this stand adds an extra touch to any room while keeping your jewelry neatly displayed. So, if you're looking for a jewelry stand that combines form and function, the pickpiff Jewelry Stand Organizer is definitely worth considering. It's a solid, practical, and aesthetic addition to any jewelry lover's collection. Stay tuned for more reviews and critiques right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.